What's up, everybody? Space Donks here. What is going on? Aapl, an amazing product. Right away you want to know off the bat, because everyone wants to know that. Let's be real. How much did you put in? How much is your average? Here you go. Full transparency. I'm not a professional. I'm an investor. This is one of my babies, my sleep well stock. You can go to sleep and not worry about it even when it drops, because this is Aapl. This is today, Friday. It's 12:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and hey, this is what Apple's doing right now. It's got a little dip here because people, I think Warren sold some shares. You think I'm worried about that? Huh? Let me tell you something. Let's look at this Aapl overall. Look, if you like this product, I love it. Look at your phones. Look around you. Who's holding iPhones? Probably a lot of the people, most of the people, but they're getting into other things. They make great products, and here we are. I was over 100. I have two portfolios, so here we are here with 42%, and you can see what's going on. The return, 11 right now. Look at that. That's not bad. That's not bad. 11.21%, 23. That's a comfortable position. I feel really good about it. You get a great dividend. If you don't know what a dividend is, by the way, I am not a professional. This is for entertainment purposes. This is Space Donks. We're going to the moon. I really believe it. And I'm staying right here. But a dividend is you get money. You get 4 a year. So every earnings, let's look it up real quick. A dividend is paid per share of stock. If you own 30 shares in a company and that company pays $2 in annual cash dividends, you will receive $60 per year. Yeah, so anyway, Aapl pays a great dividend. It adds up. Let's take a quick look. Apple's dividend. Apple's dividend as of 8/7/2020, it's very generous. It's not McDonald's. I have McDonald's. We'll look into that in another video. It's 82 cents. So you times 82 cents, right? You're getting this 4 times a year, right? So I get 82 cents times 42 4 times a year. Now that's just for holding. Look at this. You know, math was my weak point, but I'm doing great overall on all my portfolios, so you don't have to be an expert if you just have common sense. Growth stocks, and I take little risks, and I'm doing wonderful here. Okay, so what was that? 82 cents times, you probably already know, we're just gonna make sure. That's not a bad return. Look at that. That's not bad. Now, times 4, right? So that's 34.44 times 4 equals that per year. Bam! That's 137.76 cents per year in this portfolio alone. Don't forget, I have another one. So that adds up, kinda. I mean, that's like free money, right? Check that out. I hope I didn't confuse. I confused myself just now. I'm not a professional. This is for entertainment purposes. But yeah, Aapl is gonna get into electric vehicles soon. That's what's coming up next. Now, I got this right before the split. It had a nice split in the summer, and some people, which is crazy, were on like stock twits, right? I go there. We'll check out what they're saying in a minute on there about Aapl. And some people were thinking, let's say if you get, let's just keep it simple. If you get a 1-for-2 split on an Aapl stock, some people thought you would get, if it was 200 a share, that you were getting another 200. I'm like, are you crazy? It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. You just, you know, it splits, it divides. So if it's $100, it's 50 all of a sudden. Instead of 100, the one share will be 50, and now you'll have 2. So it's 50 plus 1. So you have 50 times 2, it's 100. Not $200. You get it? You follow me, right? So yeah, Aapl is an awesome product. Right now I'm working on an Aapl, creating on Aapl. I'm always working on stuff with Aapl. Aapl phones are awesome. They have the iPad, they have AirPods, Apple TV, Apple Watch, Beats products, Apple Care, iCloud. They have a lot of stuff going on. I was driving, and it was like last year, right before the Black Swan event came, and they were shooting a movie, or TV show rather, at a studio I passed. I'm like, what are you shooting? Oh, it's for Aapl. It's Aapl Productions. Yo, Apple's doing big things. And look, this doesn't lie. Overall, where does this go, everyone? It's going to the moon. Space stonks. Look, up. It's always mooning. It got pullbacks because that's natural. No stock just continuously goes up. So I'm good. I'm holding this eventually. 10 years go by, in it for a very long time. So yeah, that's what's going on with Apple. Let's hit the stock twits, see what's going on there. What people are saying today about Apple. Too much manipulation, everyone liquidated. Yeah, okay, whatever. Let them become bag holders. Ain't gonna be no bag holders, baby. I'm telling you, Mr. Legend 27, all good. You do you, I'll do me. Don't take my advice, whoever's listening. But I am holding this. Oh, look, Kathy Wood is talking. Now, this isn't her for sure. Great start this morning. Let's see where we end the day. That's right. So, I like the positivity. So, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about Apple going up, and recently, they're gonna dip their foot. It's been a long time with the iCar. Here we go. Apple iCar speculation continues. Tech and auto analysts see the car differently. Speculation about all-electric self-driving car produced by Apple just won't die. Now, Japanese car maker Nissan Motor has denied reports that is in talks to be the builder of an Apple brand vehicle. The iCar has resulted in a lot of Wall Street research reports, but few hard numbers about what an Apple entry might mean for the global car business. Yeah, so potentially they had something going on with Hyundai, right? Kia as well as a startup, and they have been tied into the Apple reports, and then supposedly talks fell apart. But look, they definitely have filed for some stuff with EV from what I was doing in my research. You do your research, do your due diligence, as everyone says, but an Apple car down the line, a lot of people are pumping Apple just off that. I feel it doesn't need that pump, but I'll take it. So I think eventually they'll probably get into it. I don't know on what level. Of course, I can't see the future like that, but all I know, this is just great for mooning. It's going to be more ideas, more innovation for Apple. Apple is still doing its thing. Look, the stock just keeps rising. I feel good about it. I have no problem holding on to this for quite a long time, for quite a while, and build wealth, baby. That's what it's all about. We all want to make that money. And I just think, personally speaking, my opinion, Apple is a great place to park your money. This might be a lot of money for people. This right here, what I got invested in this one portfolio, because I have more than another into Apple. But over time, I don't know what you do, but if you're just starting out and you have some money to put aside for Apple, I would invest in buying one, and then two when you have the money, and three, rather than getting whatever you want to get, up a new pair of dope jeans, some sneaks. I understand that. Go out with some awesome new stuff, maybe a bag, wallet, whatever, Gucci, Fendi. Why not once in a while just take some money? Look at that, it's already turned into this. If it went back on me, I would add more. If it dipped under 123, why not? Probably, I would say 120. So, hey, long term, I think you'd be in a good position to make a lot more money. And eventually, I believe it's going to split again. Good things, and you get that dividend. So, all right, Space Stonks here. I'll be back in another new video. We're going to talk space stocks. Doing some little bit of research. I'll pull it up. We'll go into my portfolio. I got this Holicity. I got, Virgin Galactic. Amazing stuff's going on with space innovation, traveling, space tourism. Oh, it's going to be awesome. I'll be back soon in another video. Thanks for watching.